The rock cycle is one means of viewing many of the interrelationships in geology. Note, throughout this section, you can review the rock cycle by clicking on the small icon in the upper right corner. The rock cycle shows the origin of the three basic rock types and illustrates how different geologic processes transform one rock type into another. Igneous rocks originate when molten material called magma cools and solidifies. This process, called crystallization, may occur either at the Earth's surface or beneath the surface. When igneous rocks are exposed at the surface, they will undergo weathering, a process which slowly disintegrates and decomposes rock. The rock fragments are picked up and transported by erosional agents, such as running water. Glaciers, wind, or waves. Eventually, these particles and dissolved substances called sediment are deposited. Next, the sediments undergo a process called lithification, meaning conversion to rock, either by compaction or by cementation, as percolating water coats the sediment with mineral matter and gradually cements the particles together. The result is sedimentary rocks, such as shale, sandstone, and conglomerate. On occasions, when sedimentary rocks are carried deep within Earth, they will be subjected to great pressure and heat. Any rock subjected to strong compressional forces and/or high temperatures change to metamorphic rocks. When rocks in a high-temperature metamorphic environment are subjected to directional forces, they are easily folded. Rocks that are transported to great depths may melt to generate magma. As we saw, rocks are transformed from one type to another in a never-ending cycle. Earth materials do not always follow the paths shown in the rock cycle diagram. It is just as likely that other paths will be followed. What other paths are possible? In the following situations, click on the red arrow that illustrates what would happen when A. Sedimentary rocks are exposed at the surface. Correct. Sedimentary rocks would weather at Earth's surface to generate sediments. B. Igneous rocks are subjected to heat and pressure found at great depths. Correct. Igneous rocks would deform to generate metamorphic rocks. C. Metamorphic rocks are exposed at the surface. Correct. Metamorphic rocks would weather at Earth's surface to generate sediment.